So you see the solar panels do get dirty every once in a while. And so what I do is I wait till it rains, and then you don't need much in the way of cleaning solution. You just need a squeegee, and all this stuff comes off, assuming the panels don't fall off the table in the process. I need to mount all these properly. But you can see that I've got plenty of panels on tables here, and this has worked pretty well for a few years now. Got all nice and clean, but you can see if you look really close up, there's lots of pollen on these panels at the moment, so I just waited till it rained, and it makes the whole job a lot easier to do.